Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be changing out the power outlet from the cigarette lighter style to a dual USB that actually has a voltage display on it. Got it off of Amazon for 15 bucks. I'm going to put it in, show you guys how I put it in, see if it works. The first step is going to be removing the old cigarette lighter, and it just unscrews and pulls out of the hole. Pretty simple. Let's see, the new one looks to be a little bit bigger, so we're probably going to have to drill the hole out. Let me go measure this and grab a drill bit and see what we can do. Alright, it measured out to be about 1.1/16 inches, and I grabbed a unibit and a little drill marked on it at 1.1 inches, that way I have a little bit of wiggle room. Just a little bit more. That's going to fit perfect. Now that my mess is cleaned up somewhat, the hole's drilled out, we'll put the new one in. It just has a nut on the back of it, kind of like the original. I'll put it in facing up like such. Don't look too bad. Make sure it's snug. It's not like it's a structural piece where we have to worry about it coming loose. Alright. Next up, I think we'll wire it in. If you look on the back, it's got a positive and a negative there, so we can hook up the power and a ground. And I'll show you that next. Actually, next we're going to make an adapter harness. Let's see. They give us a couple female spade connectors and some eyelets. What they should have gave was some male spade connectors as well. That way we won't have to cut into the original plug. Now, I'll plug the red wire up to the positive, the black wire up to the negative, and then we'll plug it into the car, check it to make sure it works. With the key in the on position for the 99 2000 Honda Civic, you'll end up with power on one of these terminals. There we go. So that's going to be our hot wire. That's going to be our ground. Turn the key back off. So we'll plug our hot into there. Might have to get some different speed terminals because those aren't that good. I'll be right back. Alright, let's try that one more time. There we go, that's much better. Okay. Alright, let's turn the key on and see if she works. Awesome. We're at least getting power to it, and it's showing 12.2 volts. I'm going to call that a success and button everything else up. If you guys enjoyed this, I really hope you hit the like button, comment, subscribe, or don't. You know, do whatever you want to do. Thanks.